Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackYou.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new RST Race Department V4.1 one-piece race suit. The RST Race Department V4.1 is a proper race suit. This is a very aggressively cut race suit that offers a 60-40 split of Kangaroo and Cowhide. It's heavily perforated, it's very lightweight, it has an epic amount of stretch paneling, and it is also compatible with any of your undersuit universal airbag systems like the Alpine Star's Tech Air 5, okay? We're offering this suit currently for, you ready for this? $799.95. Been doing this for a long time, a couple of decades. I would put this suit on par with suits that sell for $2,000 or even over $2,000. This is an epic piece of racing equipment, okay? It is available in the color that you see here. You can have your choice of black, or you can have your other choice of black. Sizing, 5 feet 11 inches tall, 200 pounds, 33-inch waist. Underneath the suit, I have on just a standard back protector, right? This is a size 54 Euro or 44 US. I get an excellent race fit from this. Of the three suits that we're offering now, the STG Evo V4, the Pro Series, and then this one, which would be the most upper end, this is the most aggressive cut. This one takes more work to put on, right? But what's really interesting is when you get it up, it literally just starts to fade away and feel like a second set of skin. There is so much stretch paneling in this thing, right? And the arms just feel so lightweight and so mobile. It's incredible. We didn't weigh the suit because you have different sizes and all those factors. Certainly holding it on the hanger, comparing it to the other two, it's a little bit lighter. I don't get lost in that a lot, but I can tell you this, wearing this one compared to the other two, it feels lighter when you have it on, there's no doubt about it. Cons would be, you really need to be fit to wear this suit. If you're carrying a lot extra around the middle, it's just probably not going to work for you, okay? Because this is really, of the three suits, it's the least forgiving cut, it's the slimmest cut of the three, and that's kind of intentional and on purpose by the folks over at RST. Other features and benefits. It comes with a full complement of CE Level 2 armor with CE Level 1 armor in the knee and shin. So you have CE Level 2 in the elbow forearm, shoulder, as well as your hips, and then the pieces they put, and we're going to show you all this in the second part of the video, the pieces they put in the lower extremity are CE Level 1, plenty of protection and coverage. You get a replaceable elbow slider, integrated shoulder slider, integrated knee slider, of course, replaceable knee pucks. Special note here, these are reverse knee pucks, okay? So it means the prickly part of the Velcro is sewn to the suit, and the nice soft part of the Velcro is actually on the knee puck. That's reverse of all the other suits that we offer. We have these knee pucks in stock, right? So they'll be on the website. So if you need replacement pucks, you need to source that reverse style puck. We have a good supply of them here right now, and we will keep them in stock as we move forward, you know, in relation to the number of these suits that we brought in. Other features and benefits. We're going to show you this in the second part of the video from the inside out, but there are like Aramid reinforcements, like you would see with an Aramid pair of riding jeans, where they have that yellow layer inside. Elbow, forearm down here in kind of the seat area. Like I said, we'll show you that in more detail as we move forward. Super fabric reinforcement right here. This is one of the most vulnerable seams on a race suit. This super fabric here, because you have a little low side, your forearm always seems to find its way sliding on the ground, right? And this seam can be vulnerable, can be hard on the stretch fabric. This is going to help to protect that. Nice motion panel there in the elbow. Neoprene trimmed cuff. Four-way stretch fabric. That stuff flows air freely. Locking zippers here. Perforation. This suit has an epic amount of perforation. You can see it all up here in the torso, the upper legs, right? There's some perforation on the back of the suit as well. You get down here into the knee, they're using a gripper fabric right here that interacts with the tank and the bodywork of the motorcycle. You use less physical effort and energy to support yourself on the bike. Say in a heavy braking zone when you're squeezing the tank, this is just, you don't have to squeeze as hard. You're cornering. If the knee is hooked into the bike, it's going to just kind of grip and make it a little easier to hold on the motorcycle. At the termination of the ankle, there is a silicone strip to help hold the suit down into the boots. We'll show you that in the second part. All of the stretch panels on this thing are also perforated to promote airflow. This is an amazing piece of racing equipment. We've been asked actually for the last, I think, year and a half or so, hey, when are you going to bring this in? When are you going to bring this in? You know, really got delayed with the whole Corona apocalypse bullshit. But it is here now, and it is everything you expected and more at a kick-ass price. If you like what you see, stay tuned for the second part. I'm going to take this thing off, give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, here we go. The RST Race Department V4.1 Kangaroo race suit from the inside out. This one has a fully removable mesh lining. Like I always say, if you're going to wash this, you want to hand wash this, mild detergent, line dry only. Do not throw this in the dryer. This also serves as the pocket for that level 2 hip armor, right? If you want to remove it, you're able to do that. Little Velcro patch, open it up, and you can pull that stuff right out. We recommend, of course, leaving it in. All the armor that comes in the suit is level 2 certified. Here is your elbow and forearm profile, shoulder. Here is that hip armor. And here is your knee and shin. Focusing on the shell of the suit now. And like I said earlier, I mean, this is, even at this price, I put this on par with the best of the best when it comes to race suits out there. You know, you get suits that sell for $2,000, just under $2,000. This is every bit as good, and there's some points that may actually be better. Massive amounts of stretch. Look at that. And this is all perforated all the way from the top of the shoulder down to the waist. Look at the amount of stretch that's available. It intersects right here. You're able to wear, like we said earlier, one of the universal airbag units under this, like the Alpine Star Tech Air 5. This has plenty of stretch to allow for an airbag deployment. Suit comes with a full-on race hump. Perforation here on both sides. 2 layers of material used in the seat, along with some reinforcement. Built-in tailbone protector. 4-way stretch fabric. Calf entry zipper here. Perforation in the underarm area. You can see how all the stretch fabric they use, they bring those panels in, they intersect with the leather stretch. Replaceable elbow slider. If you can corner that low, we can replace that puck for you. Front of the suit. Focus on the arm. Large panels of leather. Shoulder protector integrated. Super fabric reinforcement. That's one of the most critical seams right there in the elbow area. You have a low side, very common to touch that down. This super fabric overlay is going to protect that. Got a neoprene termination of the sleeve here. Locking zip is used. We have in the critical areas on the suit Aramid reinforcement like you would see with, say, like Aramid riding jeans. You'll see that here in the elbow forearm, right in that sleeve area. Let's see inside if we can get down low enough. It really runs to right about here, right about the elbow area. Motion panel built into the elbow. Maximum perforation. I mean, you look at this front panel, that is fully perforated. Instead of just Velcro, there is actually a metal snap. Heavy gauge main zipper. Neoprene collar. 4-way stretch fabric is used here, spanning across the shoulders. That plays into the airbag integration as well as comfort. Large stretch panel here in the hip area. Fully perforated upper thigh in the impact and abrasion zone, right? We've got a couple layers of leather, and we also have a non-perforated panel. Large motion panel here in the knee. Integrated knee protector that works in conjunction with the armor underneath to enhance protection in that area. We have a nice little gripper. This stuff's got a lot of grip to it. Gripper panel here in the knee. That'll help contact the bike, reduce fatigue, reduce the amount of effort and energy you have to expend to hold on to the bike. This suit uses reverse knee sliders. Okay, we have those available for this purpose, right? This has the pointy part of the Velcro attached to the suit and the fuzzy part on the knee puck. So that is the reverse of all the other suits that are out there. It's important you understand that up front. You can't just get a standard replacement set of knee pucks. We have a gripper panel here to interact with your boots to hold the leg of the suit down into your boot. Looking inside, you want to remove the race hump. There is a zippered panel there. Here's where the shoulder armor is installed. There is more Aramid reinforcement. You can see it here in that hip area. 2 layers of leather used in the seat for maximum abrasion resistance. You'll find on the inside of the suit here in the knee and shin area, they've used some temper foam right in this area to help enhance protection. What do I think of this suit? You know, out of all the suits in their catalog, this is the most aggressively cut. This is a true race fit suit. If you're carrying a lot of extra weight around the middle, this is probably not the suit for you, okay? This is meant for purpose-built racing, high-end track days. As I said earlier, this is on par or better than $2,000+ suits. They really hit a home run with this. You're going to see the same technology and same materials in this that you see in the RST factory-supported riders, like our guys from M4 X-Star Suzuki right here in Moto America. This is a kick-ass piece of racing kit that sells at a super affordable price, especially when you consider all that you're getting. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.